Hi, it's Mine Crypto here. I hope we're having a wonderful morning, afternoon, evening, wherever you are in the world.
Remember, this isn't financial advice. Always do your own research.
Mine Crypto here. I hope we're all having a wonderful day. And today we're talking about the Quant network, Quant. And very mixed today in the market. We're currently ranked 39, no change there. Market cap at 1.24 billion and 24-hour volume is down 10 million, which is kind of expected over the weekend. We're down 0.5% in the hour. We're up 0.3% in the day and down 0.4 in the week. But it is what it is. It goes sideways, but I think there's a lot going on behind the scenes. And that seems prevalent from some of the tweets that I'm viewing over here on Twitter, and some really good news as well, because obviously Gilbert Verdian is being a bit more vocal now, which I believe is a bit of a sign that something is on the horizon. He did an interview with Yahoo Finance over the week. He's put out here my interview with Yahoo Finance, talking about how the UK's digital pound is an opportunity to create a new form of currency that is preferred for global digital transactions. Now, I think this is good news. We're starting to see some traction into the mainstream media, mainstream news, and I think this is needed to get a bit more vocal in mainstream. People are not always aware of what's going on. I think this is great for the future of this space as we start to build and move towards that mass adoption, which I feel will be coming over the next 2 years or so. Anyhow, remember, none of this is financial advice. You should always do your own research. I'm just a guy that's providing you with the news so that you can connect the dots. And here we go. Here's the article, Bitcoin, how digital pound could benefit the UK. The UK's digital pound project is an opportunity to create a new form of currency that is preferred for global digital transaction, an industry leader has claimed. On this week's episode of Yahoo's Finance, the Crypto Mile, Gilbert Verdian shared his perspective on the rise of central bank digital currencies. Verdian sees CBDCs as a way to upgrade money to meet the needs of our society and economy, which are becoming progressively more digital. Major central banks, including the Federal Reserve, the Bank of England, and the People's Bank of China, have begun to develop CBDCs as an answer to the blockchain's innovation like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Verdian believes that it's high time for the next stage of the evolution of money. He stated the current form of money is not fit for purpose, and we should have the opportunity to evolve it to be something that is more fit for future and appropriate for digital society. He insists that this isn't just a theoretical solution, but a response to real demands from consumers and businesses. The UK's Digital Pound project, the implementation and testing of CBDCs are underway, with projects like Project Rosalind in collaboration with the Bank of England and the Bank of International Settlements. The Bank of England aims to decide on implementation of CBDC by the end of the decade. This doesn't mean that a direct CBDC will be released by the central bank to consumers, but rather a new form of money for commercial banks to embed within their core banking system, thereby offering new products and new payment methods that traditional electronic money cannot support. Verdian sees the UK's Digital Pound project as an opportunity for innovation. With the Digital Pound project, there is an opportunity for us to be innovative and to be agile and to provide a new form of currency that is preferred for most global digital transaction, he added. The UK's CBDC project, called the Digital Pound or Bitcoin, is currently in its development stage. It would be issued by the Bank of England and backed by the government as opposed to privately issued cryptocurrency like Ethereum. The emergence of programmable money, Verdian emphasized the importance of the evolution from traditional forms of money to digitized programmable money. Using blockchain-based technology, CBDCs, and tokenized bank deposits, Verdian notes, we're able to code logic into money to automate a lot of things, to get it to do new types of payments, new types of lending, and new types of products. The innovation provides the banks the opportunity to revolutionize their offerings, creating payment products that streamline and simplify financial interactions, both businesses and consumers. Verdian also highlighted the importance of privacy and regulation in this new financial landscape. He referred to the Bank of England Deputy Governor John Cunliffe's April statement that this new form of money would be private but not anonymous and would align with existing bank regulations. And the government has the powers, the regulation, and the laws and the law enforcement can ask for data. Verdian added, explained that the introduction of programmable money would not change this fact. The significant change lies in the opportunity for central banks to better understand and manage systemic financial risk. So as we can see, lots are going on in the background with the commercial banks. We're not likely to see a CBDC until the latter end of this decade, but that doesn't mean that the banks are not going to implement their own bank-to-bank commercial technology. This is going on right in this moment. So I'm quite excited for Quant, and within the next 2 years, I think we'll see an increase, especially in price. Now, some great information from construction trader ETH. Quant is the foundation of interoperability, and this is why R3 Corda has chosen Quant to be its interoperability provider. In a few years' time, even car manufacturer software will need to be interoperable to talk between cars, and Overledger will provide this. As you can see, this is all so very exciting, especially with the connection between Corda and R3. And as we can see here, R3 says central banks already have production grade CBDCs running behind the scenes. How did they do this while Link CCIP is still in development? Ooh, ouch. As we can see here, just a quick video from
I will
R3.
not name any of them, but there are some that have been really active with us. There are some that are very close to having production systems.
When you say close, when do you think they'll go?
I would say definitely within the next couple of years.
They'll go live within the next 2 years.
Yes, I will not name any of them.
Live within the next couple of years. That's a little bit before the 2030 Bank of England target. Much is happening in this space. We just have to keep on top of it. So what is R3 Corda and how it works? R3 Corda is a distributed ledger technology platform that was specifically designed for financial services. R3 Corda is built on principles of privacy, security, and interoperability. It allows for secure, efficient exchange of data value between parties. The platform is also modular, so it can be easily customized to meet specific needs. R3 is a distributed ledger platform specifically designed for financial services. It's an open source project launched in 2016 by a consortium of over 200 banks, financial institutions, and technology companies. R3 is built on privacy, security, and interoperability principles. It allows for a secure and efficient exchange of data and value between parties. The platform is also modular, so it can be easily customized to meet specific needs for each user. Many major financial institutions have used R3 Corda to streamline their operations and reduce costs. Some of the world's largest banks, such as HSBC, ING, and JP Morgan, have all built in applications on top of R3 Corda. So how does R3 Corda work? R3 uses a shared ledger approach, DLT. There's no central database to which all users have to connect. Instead, each user has a copy of the ledger that they keep updated with the latest transactions. Now, we know that Gilbert Verdian has been working with R3, with Corda for some time now, being part of their talks and their spaces. So all is looking really, really exciting. I'm excited. This was just a quick bit of news just to keep you updated with what's going on in this space. Remember, none of this is financial advice. Always do your own research, and I will catch you later. All the best.
Remember, this isn't financial advice. Always do your own research.